viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in this video I am giving you information how to create or generate your paper wallet. If you have already take a wallet in my Ether wallet website, yes, you can easily create, because paper wallet is cold storage wallet and you don't need to connect internet if you have want to create a paper wallet. So you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you, but first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Ether wallet Google Chrome extension, because today I'm going to create a paper wallet or generate a paper wallet or save for my paper wallet, because in last video I gave information how to find the private key. You also save your money in paper wallet, so you must watch this video till end. You can see here the I have already using Google Chrome extension of my Ether wallet. So I just simple click on icon and going to access my wallet. Then I can get the or generate the or save the my paper wallet of my, which is I have already created. You can see here I have created 3 wallet. My wallet, click on it. Now going to open the interface of my Ether wallet Google Chrome extension. You can see here the interface is open in front of me and I have 3 wallets. Let's suppose if you want to create a new wallet and you want to get the paper wallet of your that's wallet, so just simple click on add, create a new wallet, write the name like Ether wallet 5. I'm going to enter the password here and also enter here password, because today I'm going to save my paper wallet, my wallet, Ether wallet, add Ether wallet number 5, and I need to get the paper wallet of my wallet of Ether. So you can see here the wallet is successfully created. I have click on OK, and you can see here the top of the list Ether wallet number 5, which is I have created right now, and I want to get the paper wallet of this address. So where I can and how can I do? So simple and easy. You just simple click on 3 dot and click on view, and right here the password which I have used when I was create account, and click on view. Now access my wallet or view my wallet. You can see here the new wallet is open in front of me, which is I have create, and this is my wallet address. And if I go to the downside, you can download also this wallet key store file from here. You just simple click on download, and also you can find the private key of this wallet. I already gave information in my last video how to find. And if you want to need the create, generate or download or save your paper wallet, the last option is available here. Is just simple click on print. When I click on print, you can see here my address icon. Always look for the icon when sending to this wallet. Please keep your paper wallet at a safe place. Please do not share your private key with anyone, otherwise your all amount will be lost. Okay, this is your wallet address and this is the QR code. If you have already installed QR code scanner in your mobile, so just simple scan this QR code. And if you have not, so just simply go to the Play Store and type the QR code scanner, install app of QR code scanner, and then you can easily scan this QR code. Now I'm going to click on downside. You can see here, please keep your paper wallet at safe place. Please do not share private key. Again, this message shown here means you don't share your private key with anyone. And always look for the icon, and this is my address and this is my private key. And if I need to print paper wallet, so just simple click on it, print paper wallet. If you have printer connected already with your with your laptop, so you just simple click on print. And if you have not printer, so you just need to save this file in your laptop, so you just simple click on destination. There's three also option available: save as a PDF, save to Google Drive, and see more. But I have select second option because I need to save this paper wallet in PDF file in my laptop, so that I have selected. And pages, select from all, customize. And third option is the portrait and landscape, so I selected the portrait. And more setting, if you click on it, you can set the letter, paper, page sheet 1 2 3, or margin, scale, and many more settings available here, but I do not want to select, so I just simple click on save. So I want to save on this folder. Now paper wallet is have saved in my laptop, so I want to cross check I have successfully saved paper wallet or not. So I'm going to open that folder. You can see here where I have successfully paper wallet. I'm just click on double click and cross check I properly saved my paper wallet or not. The file is going to open in front of me, and then I can check my private key and my address, which is I have saved from my Google Chrome extension of my Ether wallet. The file is going to open in front of me. You can see here. Just take some time, because yes, you can see here I have successfully saved my paper wallet. So I hope you properly understand how can you create a paper wallet or save at your system. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. If you want to get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, you just simply go to the Google and type the cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you. And if you face any problem regarding install your Ether wallet and find your private key, so you must comments below this video. I will must reply to you, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.